Let's start how to set up AutoCAD 2018 in your computer system. Select the version of the operating system, 64-bit or 32-bit. Select the setup file and double click on this. Wait for some time to launch the program. You should run. Press OK and wait for few seconds. So system will initialize and download necessary files from the internet. You must be connected with the internet throughout the process. Setup file size is about 5.35 GB. So you must be having a good amount of internet while installing this software. It will take few minutes to complete. So once this downloading process is finished, a AutoCAD installation screen will appear like this. Wait for few seconds. Okay, so after the initialization, you will have this screen where you have to click on the install button, select the country, accept the terms, next. Now you just need AutoCAD 2018, and so unmark rest of the two options. See the path, check for the memory requirements, that how much it is required and how much is available, and go next. Now this setup process will again take some minutes to finish. Okay, so the AutoCAD setup is finished and the software is installed. Click on the finish, and you don't have to restart it right now, so press no. Now how to activate the license? So it is time to run for the first time. Double click on the AutoCAD button. If this window appears, go with the recommended selection or an option. If it doesn't appear, you should not worry about it. Here, if wait for few seconds here. Now this is software asks you to enter the license number. Click on the license number. Click on I agree. Right now you are in the trial period, but you have to activate the product. So activate. Here you have to enter the serial number and product key and have to click next. Activation will take some time. You must be on live internet. If you enter the correct details, the activation will be done. Now to verify that whether the copy is activated or not, these notifications you will see for the first time. Go to the help, manage license, click here, and you can see that the serial number and the activation date up to which you are allowed to use this product. So as a student, AutoCAD gives license for 1 year to use for free. Now anyone can start making drawings on the AutoCAD. So if you open it for the next time, you will see this screen and you have to click on the start drawing. Thank you.